In front of me is Sony Xperia 5-second version, and let me show you how to change keyboard dictionary on the following device. So first of all, you need to reach messages, click on Start Chat, and as you can see currently we are set up with English. Let me pick whichever contact we have, and now let's enter some message here. As you can see, we are set up with English. If you would like to change it, all you need to do is to tap on the settings icon. Here go to the languages and click on Add Keyboard. You can pick whichever language you want to apply. As you can see, the list is pretty impressive, so you will definitely find something suitable, no matter where are you from. Let me choose, for example, Hebrew. Tap on Done and just remove English, so we have just one language included in our keyboard. And this is it. Now you can smoothly write in Hebrew. When you want to go back to English or maybe change language one more time, you need to perform the same operation. So let's open languages, add keyboard, pick the one that you want to apply, remove the unnecessary one, and that's it. So that would be all. This is how you can change keyboard dictionary. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.